Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download Zoom and install Zoom on your computer, that is Windows 10 computer. So if you want to download Zoom, I'm going to use Google Chrome. So here in search bar I'll type Zoom download. So as you can see, when I search in the Google search Zoom download, it gives me option. You can either use or download Zoom for Windows, Zoom for Mac, Zoom for Android, and Zoom for Linux, and Zoom downloads for IT admins. So I'm using Windows 10 computer, so I'll be downloading the first one. I'll click on this one. So it takes us to zoom.us/download OS equal Windows. Download center. Then here it gives us option as well from Windows. Do you have a 64-bit computer? Do you have a 32-bit computer? And download a ARM64. So my computer is 64-bit. So I'll click and it will download there into your downloads. Basically, when you click here, it will start to download Zoom Installer. I've already downloaded Zoom. So when you go to downloads, when it is done downloading, you go to downloads. As you can see, I've already downloaded Zoom installer.exe on my computer. So I'll take you now to the installation on the computer. So here is my downloaded Zoom installer. So you will double click on it. So now it's taking us into initialization for installing Zoom. As you can see now, it is installing. Yes, now it is installing Zoom. Okay, it shows us that it's done installing Zoom. Let's see. As you can see down here on my right hand side, there's an icon for Zoom. It says Zoom not signed in. So I'll double click on it. When you download Zoom Workplace and you install it on your computer and you double click on the icon, this icon down, it will open up this interface. This is the interface that you'll get when you double click on the icon. It says Zoom Workplace, join a meeting, sign up, and sign in. Down here, it's showing us the version that we are currently having at the moment. I don't know, maybe at the time you download it and install it, it will be a different version. But for now, this is the version that I have on this Zoom Workplace that I have downloaded and installed. Well, join me in my next video where I'll be showing you how to join the meeting, sign up, or sign in. Thank you. Bye bye.